Welcome back. It's day 4. We're gonna check this traps. We're gonna see what kind of massacre I got going on in here. Oh, we got 2 partakers in the VIP lounge with the view.
We got a good success rate last night. Now we got some that they just stole the cheese off of it and it didn't even go off.
Slippery little suckers.
Keep telling these chickens, get off there, get off there. Hey, there's some that are not snapped yet. Get out the way. Come on, get out. I only put 4 out last night because it was late and me and my son were doing homework, and quite frankly, those finger snappers got me about 6 times.
Yes, 6 times, and it hurt.
Go for it. Go for it.
Well, as you guys can see, this is working. The mice live in these holes in the ground and the walls. So we're gonna keep on keeping on and try to make the best of this and just continue catching these mice until they're gone. Now for the dirty part. Gotta keep that hantavirus off my digits.
It's a dirty job, but somebody's gotta do it.
I think in one of my other videos, I said they eat each other. Look at this dude's head. That's from them pecking at it. And this guy has too. He's eating his eyeballs.
Eating his eyeballs.
That's pretty gross if you ask me.
Some people go,
Ugh, you touch those things.
Well, yeah, you gotta get them off the trap.
What? You don't just throw the whole trap.
Whoa! Wowzer! You don't just throw the whole trap away? Traps are money. Money don't grow on trees. Toilet paper does. Look at this guy. It just makes you think, how many really are out there? These bad boys are everywhere. Well, I'm not gonna put up with that. I'm doing my part. All right, tonight we're gonna reset all these. My sister's in town, so I don't even know what to say. She might be freaked out. She may jump in. I don't know. She's crazy like me.
Hello? Mouse Patrol? Please help.
I took a couple days off from catching the mice, but we're back on the patrol. First off, we gotta go get ourselves some more premium cheese because we're running out. Time to go get that cheese, boy. Now we got all these loaded up with premium cheese. The object is not to snap my fingers. I got it on here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I got it. It snapped me and it kind of hurt. So let's see if we can not do that. Sometimes you question, why are you doing this? My sister came in town and I showed her what I was doing. She says, ugh, you're gross. I'm doing it like this because I don't like kneeling over and chicken shit. My knees hurt. I didn't get snap one, it didn't get the fingers. Dave, let's go see what Dave entails. I invited cousins, brothers, aunties, nieces, friends, enemies, all the things last night. And then my buddy did the rain dance and we got like an inch of rain last night. So rise and shine, ladies. Wakey wakey, put away snakey. Oh, look at here. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see what we got over here. What? These guys are savages. We got broken trap. Whoa, check that go. Shh. What? Look at them all. So, we got some savages in here. I can see it. They got medieval. There are still... What the... You guys seeing that?
He just got it. I can't slow down at this. They're everywhere still. Guys, I can't slow down at this. They're everywhere still. I just got to keep on keeping on. You know, when the train's got some steam, roll with it. These suckers are vicious. They're out for a vengeance. So is my chicken. See those suckers? I can hear them in the walls. It's pretty bad. It's time to clean up these rat bastards. Get them all out of here and reload.